Welcome to the next lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to recognize the importance of organizing cost information, identify examples of costing systems, and organize costs according to multiple perspectives. Now, organizations face a variety of information problems. You can think about cost information and how crucial it is to decision-making in organizations. In a lot of situations, firms don't have the right cost information to make particular decisions. But that's not the only problem they face. Sometimes cost information can be so available that it's overwhelming. The reason for this is because there are many different sources of costs inside of the organization. All of the different types of activities use up resources, and every time a resource is used, a cost is incurred. So imagine all of the different types of activities that go on in organizations, and you can think about a variety of different sources of costs. This means that there are lots of different types of costs. And so it can be very difficult to know what information to use for what decision. Let's have a checkpoint to explore this issue further. When it comes to having a lot of cost information at your disposal, organization is key. And firms use cost systems or costing systems to organize this information. Generically, a cost system is basically a method of organizing cost information to facilitate and/or influence decisions. Many different types of costing systems exist, and they vary on many different dimensions. In this course, we're going to explore some key versions of costing systems and identify when they are useful and when more information is necessary.